The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Nutrition has sought to clarify the status of Saint Lucia's medical cooperation with Cuba, confirming that Saint Lucian students currently studying in Cuba may remain, while Cuban medical personnel will continue to provide services locally. However, the ministry acknowledged the uncertainty surrounding the United States foreign policy has implications for the future of these programs. Minister of Health Honorable Jn Baptiste stated that should Saint Lucia be compelled to comply with external pressure to sever medical ties with Cuba, the government would put measures in place to support affected students abroad and address any significant gaps that would emerge within the national healthcare system. He expressed hope that such measures will not be necessary.
As you know, for many decades, the Cubans have, as the government and people of Cuba have assisted the government and people of Saint Lucia. Many of our medical professionals, from physicians to biomedical engineers, many of our medical professionals have been trained in Cuba. And so many of them are doing well, not only in Saint Lucia, but many of them have practices around the Caribbean, and some of them are renowned for their expertise, and therefore the training which was given to our St. Lucian professionals over the last few decades, we can't say thanks enough to the government and people of Cuba.
Cuban medical professionals continue to deliver a wide range of healthcare services, filling critical gaps in St. Lucia's healthcare system.
Human resources for health in St. Lucia has been a major issue for a while. We have gaps when it comes to our nurses. We have gaps when it comes to specialists, and there are gaps generally with pharmacists and also with biomedical engineers and so on. And over the last few years, we have been discussing with our professionals and with our colleagues in the region, but also with partners from universities and other countries to see how best we can fill those gaps.
The long-standing relationship between St. Lucia and Cuba remains intact, but is becoming increasingly uncertain as discussions and negotiations with the United States continue. For 7 TV News, Josiah Bisset reporting.